6.25 with ice, right? 6.25 pounds.
That's in the CSA.
You're not going your head right, so it doesn't make a seam.
Correct. Yep. So if you pour it out there,
Yeah, I don't.
you might see that.
You likely won't, but if you did that and it took a while to catch up to it, you might.
Okay.
That's what you're shooting for.
You want this one?
Please.
Irregularity.
The only reason I'm pushing it out in
Okay.
front is so the face coat stays about the same. Face coat, first layer down, stays about the same color. We'll come back and fill the mold up. 'Cause I don't care for the color variance in the back. I am. It's a good face color.
Yeah, and I like to start with lower pigment loads if I'm gonna color. Because, you know, you'll hit saturation and...
You don't want to have to correct it.
Right. It's a lot easier to make light go darker than it is dark go lighter.